second simulation for speaking test, and as you welcome to our second simulation speaking test. And in this test, there will be two parts. The first part will be consisting of 3 questions, and for each question will be around 60 seconds for you to respond. And I will give you the time 5 seconds to and I'll give you 10 seconds to prepare. Alright, ready? Let's go to number 1. Please describe this picture and show me the picture, yeah? 5 seconds for you to prepare. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Not ready? Ready or not? We'll start the roll.
So there's a dog playing with its owner, I don't know, and there are 2 teams. They playing football,
and there's the support team here. The home got the best score for this time, and then they also have a lemonade.
They're so captivated to this competition or playing. And the keeper, she's so excited to wait for the ball.
Ground and go to follow the ball.
Alright, time's up.
But I can't.
It's okay.
Wow,
okay.
it's coming
Yeah,
to
this
this
is
test.
the new on-the-spot questions for you, right? So now let's come to our second questions for part 1, 2, 1. Okay, your 60 seconds start now.
I usually watch sporting event in not directly, it's like from the television. I watch with my family. I remember that I watch it when it's raining, and there's a hole.
Futsal in Renate, and they win the event. They got a first.
It's between Indonesian team and Malaysian team.
Okay.
And unfortunately,
We also have a cheerleader in that
fun experience. I was having fun.
Okay, thank you.
and then my school asked all of the first grade in our school to come to the Redante to watch our team.
Okay, time's up. Thank you for your response. Now let's see the last part for part 1, yeah? Some people enjoy team sports, others prefer to simply exercise by themselves. Which do you prefer? Give your opinions and reason to support it. 5 seconds for preparing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I personally like team sports better than doing sports by myself because it's like I'm an extrovert, so I enjoy doing everything with my team, and it's also teamwork makes perfect. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Simple exercise by myself. It's hard for me because I don't do any sport.
Also, if we do sports with our team, we can interact socially. It's also good not only for our body.
Continue.
So I think that is.
So do you prefer?
I just prefer to enjoy team sport.
Okay. Thank you. That's the last part. The last questions for the first part actually. Now let's come to the second part. It will be 90 seconds for you to respond and 10 seconds for you to prepare, yeah? I will read it first. A friend of yours wants to get a second college degree and would like your advice. Your friend is considering attending a small local school instead of an expensive, well-known university. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this idea? Read it first, 10 seconds for preparations. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, ready? In 90 your 90 seconds starts now.
So the advantages is I agree with him to prefer go to a small local school instead of an expensive one, because yeah, actually
University. And second one, if we attend well-known university, it will, what is it? The competition is like very hard because there are a lot of rich people, but really genius people. It's hard. And the third, the last one. Usually local university are near our home, not like really far in the big city. And the disadvantages,
even they have the same thing that will teach to you, they still have a lot of different. I mean, like the teacher, the facility, or anything like that. So if you have a lot of money, you can go to the expensive one, but the small local school is not good, not a bad idea.
Alright, time is up. All young people about eating healthy foods. I am a member of the school board. Tell me what you think about this idea and try to convince me to agree with you. Okay, 10 seconds to prepare. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your 90 seconds starts now.
I would say it's not really a bad idea because adding cooking classes to replace some traditional science classes, some teenagers don't like eating healthy foods. They usually eat everything they want, like instant noodles, also like fast foods. We should change their habits.
They're still in the pandemic era, and they can make our immune more strong if we eat some healthy food. And then for the science class, maybe we can do this in the regular class, like we shouldn't have to do that to the extracurricular or something like that. We can just do this in the regular. But for the cooking class, to educate people about eating healthy food is a good idea. So I agree with this thing.
Continue on, still have 20 seconds.
Wow.
But not to replace it, but just make it an additional classes. And to conclude, I think this is not really a bad idea.
The material from the regular one, but we can do this with the cooking class.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much. Now I want you to push the button. Let's see who is the next.
Wow.
Yeah? The red one.
This one?
Yeah. We'll see number
2.
Yeah, tell them who's number 2.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Oh.